You might have heard about deep learning. It is behind ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and face recognition. But what actually is deep learning and why is it called deep? So let's talk about the difference between machine learning and deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So think of machine learning as the entire family, and deep learning is like one very talented family member. Traditional machine learning needs you to manually tell it what features to look for. If you want to recognize a cat, you have to program it to look for pointy ears, whiskers, but with deep learning, it figures out what features matter all by itself. So it's called deep learning because it uses deep neural networks with many layers. Imagine you're trying to recognize a face in a photo. The first layer detects edges and simple shapes. The second layer combines those into facial features like eyes and noses. The third layer recognizes face parts. The fourth layer puts it all together and says this is a face. Each layer builds on the previous one, going deeper and deeper into understanding. Deep learning is actually inspired by how our brain works. Your brain has billions of neurons connected together, passing different signals. But deep learning uses artificial neurons organized in layers. Each neuron takes input, does a calculation, and passes the rest forward. With millions of those artificial neurons working together across dozens of layers, the network can learn incredibly complex patterns that traditional programming could never capture. So with traditional machine learning, you need to manually design features. With deep learning, it learns features automatically from raw data. For example, if you want to recognize speech, with traditional machine learning, you need to program audio features. Deep learning just takes the raw sound waves and figures it out. If you want to translate languages, traditional ML needs grammar rules, while deep learning learns them from examples. It's learning all the way down.